all the way up there. Wow. Holy shit, this is some thick stuff. Look at these roots up here. Do you see that? Look at that. That's all roots. Literally all roots. Unreal. Huh. What? Jesus, look how tall just this is. You kidding me? Jesus Christ. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Good job. Good job! Check out that moss. Wait. Alright. So it looks like a stream that's cut through here. It goes all the way up. It goes up there. Cuts down. Whoa. All the way down there. Zoop. That's so sick. Check it out. Oh my god. What the fuck? Look at that view. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Holy hell.
What? Can you believe this?
Whoa.
Holy shit. What? Are you kidding me? Oh my god. Wow. Look at where we are right now. Huh. Are you joking? What? Oh my god. What? Oh my god. Could you believe this? Wow. This is insane. This is insane. We're in this. Huh. Could this be any crazier?
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight.
Hi, puppies. Sweet dogs. How are y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing excellent.
Have a good one.
You do too. Enjoy the view. It's beautiful up there. The light breaking through the trees. Stunning. On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. Walking up mountains, walking down them with my friend. Just can't wait to get on the hike again. On the mountain again. Better make sure you don't eat shit and face plant. Nearly ate it. We did it. Hike complete. 5s. Booyah. Till next time. See ya.